Video mo yan, i-video mo.
Oo, naka-video.
Ganda ah. Ano siya? Si Chokoy.
Palagi dyan.
Si Chokoy.
Happy birthday to the most amazing mom in the world. It's hard to put into words just how much you mean to me. I try. You're not only incredibly kind and passionate, but you're also one of the strongest people I know. You've faced so many challenges with grace and resilience, and you've always come out on top. I admire your determination every day, and I strive to be more like you every day. I hope today is a day where you can relax, unwind, and do all the things that make you happy. You deserve all the best, Mom. Happy birthday, Alaya Kazo.
Happy birthday, Tito Che. Enjoy your day and lagi kang mag-iingat dyan sa abroad.
Ano mga taas? Wala akong ibang hindi kundi ang lagi kong masaya at healthy. Enjoy your day today, ma.
Diyan ma.
Wala akong ibang hindi kundi ang lagi kong masaya at healthy. Enjoy your day today, ma.
Ni Chibing. Ni Chibing ah.
Happy birthday, ate. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Miss you.
Happy birthday! Ingat ka lagi dyan na. Ang ganda ng anak ko ah. Happy birthday na.
Okay, happy birthday. Pag-ingat ka dyan.
Hi, Ate Cherry. Birthday. Love you, miss you. Ingat ka dyan.
Che, happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi dyan. May God bless you always. Sabi ka na, di na kami galit.
Sili. Yung parang ano.
Biglaan agad. Kasi na namin ang mga lover cards.
Sila niya parang nalugis.
Cherry. I miss you.
Bayaran namin bumali.
Happy birthday. Hindi ka na, hindi na kami galit. Gusto namin yung massage mo, lalo sa chance. Wish ko lang sa'yo sa ngayon sa nakaarawan mo. Sana bigyan ko pa nito ng mabang buhay. Tsaka ng more blessing. At kung ano man nararanasan mong hirap, lagi ka lang manalangin.
I'm just touched. They meet me for me. I don't want my family to be with me. But see all my friends and my
Ito lang ang mga kaibigan mo na makinig at tumulong para sa'yo. Yun lang. Ingat palagi. Bye. Love you. Miss you. Hello, Che. Happy birthday.
my daughter
Sana okay ka lang dyan. Lagi ka rin magdarasal. Yung pamilya mo, lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo na unahin mo yung mga anak mo, higit sa lahat. At syempre, huwag mong pababayaan yung sarili mo. Dahil syempre, sa ilang din humuhugot ng lakas ang nanay mo at mga anak mo. Mag-iingat ka dyan at nandito lang kaming mga kulit mong kaibigan. Nakakantayin ka namin sa pagbabalik mo, ha? Happy birthday and God bless.
Hi, Mare. Kamusta? Anyways, happy birthday to you. 43 years old. Wow. Tumatanda na tayo. And anyways, I wish you all the best in life. good health, and happiness. I hope magkita ulit tayo soon.
Last time I
And
already did
today,
massage.
enjoy your
If I'm
birthday.
free, then
And ingat lagi kayo sa Dubai. Happy birthday! Right. Happy birthday to you. And I hope lahat ng wish mo matupad. And alam mo naman na mga dakilang nanay, isa lang ang wish natin. Dahil na pag-OFW. Ang makasama mga mahal natin sa buhay. Kaya, go, go, go.